Teresa with Eat, Drink, and Be Skinny, and today we're working with recipes from my Color Me Skinny Diet Detox. Right now I'm going to show you how to cook gourmet baby red potatoes. I think traditionally potatoes get kind of a bad rap because they're high in starch and they are high on the glycemic index and they are a little bit high in calories. But I want to go ahead and point out that potatoes do have the phytochemical profile that rivals Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and spinach. So don't totally dismiss the potato. I wouldn't overdo it, and I certainly wouldn't dip it in oil and fry it, but you can feel really comfortable that using some red potatoes as a side dish to your breakfast is definitely a part of a healthy diet. So I want to show you a really great, quick, easy way to cook gourmet red baby potatoes. And what I did is I just took these little guys, and you cut them into fours, and then take a red onion, and you want to cut it into big chunks. And then you're going to go ahead and drop it in a bag and shake it up with a little bit of flour. It's going to give it a crisp. Give about a tablespoon of flour, about a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then some fresh garlic on top of that too. A little bit of salt and pepper. What really gives this dish the kick is fresh rosemary. You're going to want to use about a teaspoon or maybe a whole sprig worth of it and throw it in there as you're shaking it around so that the potatoes really get immersed with the rosemary. Fresh rosemary is such a great way to add texture and flavor and color to a dish. Herbs and spices are a great way to do that without adding any additional calories. So after you've prepared your potatoes and then you put them on a baking sheet, cover them with a little bit of spray oil. You don't need to add any extra oil to this dish at all. And you're going to bake them on 450 for about 25 to 30 minutes. I would say check them about 20 minutes into it, toss them around and make sure they don't burn. And there you have it. So 1 cup of these potatoes actually has less than 200 calories because we didn't add any extra oil to it while we were cooking it. They're absolutely beautiful with the red skins and the red onion, and a really, really great source of phytochemicals and really very satisfying. Serve them aside an omelet, serve them aside any of your favorite breakfast items, and feel really good about it. So again, I'm Teresa, and I'm with Eat, Drink, and Be Skinny, and that's how to cook baby gourmet red potatoes.